Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Ready to take your pictures from mad to marvelous? In this epic YouTube video, we're going on a thrilling adventure through the world of free photo editing apps. Get your editing fingers ready, because we've rounded up the coolest apps that'll transform your snaps into jaw-dropping wonders. From snazzy filters to mind-blowing effects, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to boring snapshots, and let's unleash your inner photo ninja together. Pixlr X. Pixlr X is a free online application from Pixlr that lets you tweak photos. As a basic tool, it lets you do simple picture editing with tools like crop, adjustment, filter, liquify, text, and so on. It is a great tool to use if you are just starting to learn how to edit photos and want to try out each of the modifications you can make. The main problem with a free tool is that you can't use particular tools that can help improve the quality of picture changes. You will have to pay for the advanced editor to get access to more than 3,000 layers, 7,000 icons and stickers, and 5,000 artistic text effects in addition to the basic features. It also gives you access to an AI cutout tool as a bonus. With this tool, you can quickly and easily remove backgrounds, which is a very complicated process. Fotor. Fotor is online software for changing photos that works a lot like Photoshop. It has a set of tools that let you change the size, color, light, and other things about a picture. For more experienced users, there are even HDR effects. The benefit of using Fotor is that their special picture effects were carefully made by a team of skilled artists. This makes it easier to fix pictures by making the subject look even more beautiful. You can also use the program to make a beautiful picture collage that would be great for your social media pages. Like any other free app, the only way to use tools that are good enough for professionals is to buy the Pro package. It will let you save and view items in the cloud, so you can work from anywhere. BeFunky. Photo editing can be hard, but BeFunky claims to make it easy to skip over the hard parts. To use the app, you don't need to know anything about technology. It has smart tools for improving photos that can fix problems like bad lighting, noise, blurriness, and more. Its main benefit is that you can switch between editing photos on the web and on your phone, so you can edit pictures even if you don't have a computer. It is mostly a tool that is easy to use and made for regular people. It is easy to use, but the effects look very high-end. BeFunky is not free, and you have to pay for it either monthly or yearly, but you can stop paying at any time. In other words, you have to pay at least a month's worth of admission to the app if you want to enhance pictures and make beautiful art projects. iPiccy. iPiccy is a web-based photo editor that lets you make photos look great with easy-to-use tools right in your browser. There are ways to make changes right away with the click of a button, and there are more than 100 effects for pictures that can be used to improve photos like a pro. It also has an easy-to-use picture collage maker with a lot of themes and settings. The graphic artist tool is great for adding cool text effects and vector masks that will make the best photos for any reason. The only problem with iPiccy is that you need a fast internet connection for it to work well. This is usual for web-based tools, so it will be hard to alter pictures without a reliable internet link. The iPiccy doesn't have as many effects and tools as other photo makers do. LunaPic. LunaPic has a lot of free tools for editing photos. At first, it can be hard to figure out how to use it, especially since you have to choose the results or types of changes you want to make. It will be hard for people who don't know anything about changing photos. For example, not all people may know what alpha transparency is or what the thermal iridescence effect will do. The biggest problem with using LunaPic is that it instantly changes photos so they can be used online. This limits how big pictures can be that can be used in projects. Because of this, it will be hard to edit pictures with big files without losing some of the quality. You also have to save pictures by hand or share them directly to your website, since LunaPic does not save any of your projects. This means that if you modify pictures, you need to finish all the changes, save the files, and check a lot of times to make sure you save them before leaving the website because you can't get to them again. Photopea. Have you heard of Photopea? It's a really cool website for editing photos. It's basically like having Photoshop, but online. The website has pretty much the same tools as before, and you can find the online photo editor right on the homepage. All you have to do is upload your photos and you can start editing them right away. In order to enjoy all the features, you'll definitely want to create an account. Unlike some other free apps out there that only offer limited functionality for free users, this app gives you full access. So, here's the deal: if you go for a premium account, you won't have to deal with those pesky ads anymore. Plus, you'll be able to check out up to 60 steps in your history. It's definitely worth considering if you want a smoother and more convenient experience. Oh, on the free account, you can only take up to 30 steps. FotoJet. Have you heard of FotoJet? It's actually a photo editing tool that uses templates. So, what this means is that editing photos is actually really simple and doesn't cost a thing. You can use it to create stunning photos, make awesome collage projects, and even take simple graphic projects to a whole new professional level. Oh, and by the way, there are actually quite a few options out there for creating really high-quality photos that you can use for your business or even for your Instagram posts. Yeah, you'll need to pay for premium features if you want to enjoy all the exclusive benefits. Editor.Pro. Editor.Pro is for people who have never edited photos before and will have fun trying out the different tools. This is a good way to learn how to use each tool. You can try changing the free sample pictures or using your own. You can choose to download the finished pictures or share them on social media sites. This free app, on the other hand, only has a few tools, so you can't do much with your pictures. When you know how to edit your pictures right, you can do a lot of different things. You might want to use one of the best picture makers on the list to learn how to do it, but keep in mind that not all of them are easy to use. A free online picture maker doesn't always give you the best results either, because you might need to buy extra tools to get the effects you want. Well, my fellow photo ninja warriors, it's been a whirlwind of photo magic. We hope you're inspired and ready to embark on your editing journey. Remember, the world of photo editing apps is just a download away, so go forth and conquer the art of visual storytelling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your jaw-dropping creations with us. Until next time, keep snapping and editing like the photo pros you are.